Let me show you how things are going in the garden. We're starting to see some signs of life in our green beans. So hello, green beans. I'm thinking that green bean harvest might be this afternoon or tomorrow. Let's take a look at the green beans, by the way. Almost there, but not quite. Knowing that those peas over there have a life expectancy as to when they're no longer going to produce, green beans are the same way. So those are not going to be going the entire season. So I have this pak choy here that has gone to seed, and I'm going to use this bed, but I want to make that soil a little bit better. I'm going to take these pak choy out with these seed pods. Then I'm going to take this black dirt and mix it around in there pretty good. I'm going to plant those beans. So here are the pak choy cabbage seeds. I'm just going to put them right there for now. So there's the garden bed. I got the tomatoes staked. And I've got where I'm going to do the rows. We've got stringless green pod, royal burgundy, and gold rush. Planted all three, but I don't know which one's which, but we'll see how they go. And then I had that top crop. That first row was the top crop. And then we'll see what happens here. So looking forward to it. Be interesting. This represents the ending for that pak choy cabbage. It has gone to seed. I've got those seed pods. Those seed pods are a new beginning for another generation. Every ending is an opportunity for a new beginning. As I look here, that's coming to an end. That's coming to an end over there. What am I going to do with these resources when those are gone? I need to make plans now. As I make plans now, what do I do after these are gone that can help me be a little bit more strategic in how I use the resources here to be as effective as possible? So everything's got to come to an end. But that doesn't mean there can't be a fresh beginning, because every ending is opportunity for a new beginning. So this bed had an ending for the pak choy, but now it's a new beginning for those beans, I hope. So I'm picking some green beans, and I've been picking just about every night. I didn't pick last night, but some of these, sweet gravy. Some of these are pretty good. I decided to keep going for a little while. I decided to check some potatoes. I also got a couple of garlic. They weren't doing too good. I decided to pull them up for. They started to rot. And then I did an impromptu kale. So there you go. Not too bad. I could keep going out here, but I'm going to call it a night. And we're having some that have already popped up. A couple of different rows have shown signs of life. So one ending leads to a new beginning. It's kind of exciting. Here's another example of endings and beginnings. This was spinach, and now we've got, this thing is dead, gone to seed. I can collect those seeds and plant them. I think I'll do that. Everything's looking healthy and happy. An ending is an opportunity for a new beginning.